Smaply in under 3 minutes. Here we go. Smaply is a journey management software. You can create unlimited maps, hierarchies, personas, and so on. In the Journey Map Editor, we really focus on flexibility and ease of use. So it works like any whiteboarding app. You can grab cards, move them freely around, arrange them as you like, undo, redo, obviously. You can add branching to a journey, filter for different personas, for different tags. You can integrate live data from different sources to bring your journey maps really to life. You can create custom card types like pain points, for example. See in how many other journeys a pain point was used. You can link pain points with opportunities, create link trees, so you see immediately if a pain point is linked to an opportunity, maybe even to a solution, who's in charge of that, what is the status, and also see the underlying research data. If you go into details, you can even see evidence, quotes from interviews, and see it in context if you're interested. Loads of different card types, pulling in data from different sources like Jira, Trello, Monday, and so on. Rendering data from Figma, Miro, everything from Microsoft, Google, and so on. And even create process visualizations for strong blueprints right in the journey map. Strong filtering systems as well, where you can filter for different aspects in a journey, save them as views, so you can always tailor the map to an audience and only show the data you want to see. Of course, there's a version control, so you can go back in time and spin off a version from a year time. You can create personas, link it to live data, link it to journeys, so you can see which journeys are using which persona and what is the underlying data. Create any sort of hierarchy visualizations, even flow hierarchies, where you show different branching on a hierarchy level. You can use it to upload research data and let AI crawl through your research data to create pain points out of it and link it to journey maps and so on. And of course, you can use it for decision making, pulling data out of a journey map or more maps, showing all the pain points, opportunities, also as a portfolio, allowing you to do portfolio management and even a Kanban view, so you can start working in your teams and actually really making impact on your customer experience. Strong filtering system, create your own tag system to really only see the maps you want to find. You can upload your own branding, set up your brand color so you can make journey maps in your style.